Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call, just a quick mail call for you today. My silly job title is Relay Releaser. Today I'm the Relay Releaser. I got some stuff from Amazon, I got some stuff from AliExpress, I got another random package, I'm not even sure where it's from. So I thought we'd do the AliExpress stuff first, then we'll do the Amazon stuff, then we'll do whatever's in that other white box over there. So let's pop over to the bench and see what's arrived in the mail. All right, well here we are on the bench. Probably going to need those scissors. We're not going to need this little bit of solder. So I might grab all of these to begin with and just show you them. It's various battery holders. So I'll just bring them up on the bench quickly. So as you can see, I've got various ones. These all run into leads. Let me show you some of the other ones that I have. All right, I'm back. Now I'm just going to put all of these aside for a second so I can show you what else I have. This is my, can you see that? Not very well. It says 18650 holder, which is typical lithium battery, and then battery holder. So this is a bunch of battery holders. Now, a lot of them are the same as the ones that we've just purchased. This thing allows you to put 3 AAAs in as one lithium as a substitute. As you can see, a lot of these are the same with the power cables just dangling off. But I've also got these ones that have a 9-volt clip compatible with them. I have fewer of the 9-volt clip ones, but I do have a few of them, a couple, but not as many as the other types. So I was thinking I might install some barrel adapters, DC barrel male, for powering for providing power. These ones obviously can use the 9-volt clip, but everything else needs to be custom attached. So let me just quickly take these and pop them in here. So let's do that together quickly. I just went looking for some paper. Usually I have some paper in the back of my folder here, but I've run out. So I'm just going to put one sheet of paper in the bottom of the basket that I'm using for the lithium battery connectors. I've got a piece of paper in the bottom of the normal battery connectors, so I'm just going to do that. It stops the leads from poking out the bottom, which is a hassle when you go to put it on the shelf. So let me pop you over here, and let's just cut this guy down in size. We have to figure out what size is. Get those out. So just want to cut that along there. That looks like it'll do. Is it going to fit? Yeah. And then we just want to get this evenly in the container. There we go. And if we just push him in, then he'll stick to the bottom. Pretty good. There we go. All right. So hopefully that holds. All right, now we're going to go back to time-lapse mode. I'm going to put all of this in the 2 boxes that I've got. All right, so there we go. I've got a bunch of, on this side is lithium batteries, and on this side are the various AAA, AA, C-cell, and D-cell batteries. So these are standard alkaline kind of typical form factors, and these are lithium 18650 size adapters. Now I'm going to need new labels for the front, so I'll do that now just quickly. All right, so that's done. I don't know if you can see the labels on the front there, but that one is 18650 holder, and this one is just labeled battery holder. So too much glare on there. Anyway, that's what it says. So I'll go and put these away. I'll be back. All right, on we go. Now I'm just going to pick up the stuff from the floor and put it on the bench here. All right, so let's see what we've got. What's this? This looks like Zener diodes. There we go. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 32. Oh, that's interesting. I thought there was going to be 30, but it looks like there's maybe 32, unless they've doubled up on some of them. No, they haven't. Okay, so there's 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, I counted them wrong. It's 6 by. There's 30, which is what I was expecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 30. Good, good, good. Some of John's mental arithmetic going wrong. Now these look like transistors, and there's 5 packs. Are they all the same? BC 5472, 5472, 5472, 5472. Oh, I see. There's 5472 5P and 55725P. All right. Well, I'll go and put these in the appropriate drawer. Oh, actually, let's just take them out first. All right. So let me tell you about these. I'm not sure why I decided I needed so many of these particular transistors, but they're 2 types. There's the BC547 and the BC557. Now the BC547 is an NPN type, and the BC557 is a PNP type. So now that we know that, we can put all of our... Actually, I don't see any reason really to take them out of their bags if they'll fit. I think they'll fit. Yeah, they'll fit. Might put them up the back though. Let's put them in alternating. I'll do this quickly. All right, so that's done. We've got NPN diodes here and PNP diodes here. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a little yellow sticker on the front of these to let me know that these are the jelly bean components that I should use a lot of. So if I just need a Yumcha transistor, these are the ones that I'll use. So let me do that quickly. All right, so I've just put a little half sticker, green sticker on the side of these. So I'll know that if I just need a generic transistor, that's what I want. All right, on we go. So just 3 more bags. Are they all the same? Female pin header, female pin header, female pin header. They all look the same to me. So let's open one of them and see what we're dealing with. Yes. Okay, cool. So that's what it is. It's just female pin header, just like it said. This is a bit better than the other female stuff I've got. Let me show you that. This is my box of female pin header, but as you can see, it doesn't really snap apart. You can cut it and grind it, but it's not really designed to be snipped. Whereas this stuff is designed to be snipped, so you can break off just as many as you need. So that's all well and good. So I'll just quickly put these in here. I'm not sure what happened then, but I think I pressed stop record instead of record, so I missed a bit of footage. But basically, we've just taken our fans out of the computer. Sorry, the computer fans out of the box. There's 3 of these great big honking 12-volt jobs, which is all well and good. But I won't be needing them for the JCar Mini project because I have some smaller ones which will actually suit me better, which are these. These are 12 volts as well. Some sort of a connector there. I'm not sure what you call that one. Anyway, that's what I'll be using. These can go into storage, which is handy to have. And there's also these, which come with a they're 5-volt fans, and they come with a USB cable for power attached, which is all well and good. So I'll go and get my fans box. Hang on. All right, this is my box full of fans, and like that will fit in the back there. Very good. And I'll leave this one aside because I'll be using this for the JCar Mini project, which I'll be doing on the weekend, hopefully. That'll be coming up soon. All right. So there's just one mystery box left, and it's this one. Not sure what to expect in here. Very good. So this is from China, and it's, what are these? I'm not sure what these are. Give me a second. All right, so I figured out what these mystery components are, and I didn't appreciate when I was buying them that they were SMD. I was assumed they were going to be through holes. So they're what we call one way TVS. Hang on a sec. I might put a capital W there. One way TVS diode. Now I needed these for a transistor tester circuit that turned up on Hackaday recently, and they were suggested to me by a bloke over there. So I got myself some, which is these. I couldn't get the two-way version from the supplier that I got this from. They had it listed, but it was out of stock. So I just got the one-way TVS diode, which hopefully will do for my use case. I don't know anything about TVS diodes, so something to learn about. And I've got a whole bunch of them here now. So I'll go and put these away with my other sample books. Happily, they all basically use the same old folder, which is convenient because they're, it's good to have symmetry on the bench. Just put that a bit too high. All right, so there's my one-way TVS diodes. I'll go file them. All right, well, that's everything. So the only thing that remains to be done is the scrapbooking. So let's do the scrapbooking together quickly. And that's a wrap. So, just a quick mail call for you today. Um, uh, I suppose I'm pretty happy to have my Zener diodes. I've got 30 of these in different voltages. Looking forward to filing them up in the top left-hand corner when my new drawers arrive, so I can switch things around. I've got a new set of drawers, should be here. Should have actually been here last week, so it should be hopefully this week. Looking forward to that. What was the least interesting thing today? I don't know. I suppose those battery holders, particularly the lithium battery holders, I don't know how much use I'll have for those, but I've got plenty of options now. Good to have the fans from Amazon. Those fans and the cables that go with them will be useful for me to do the JCar Mini Project number 3, which I've been working on actually for more than a year. I've just had it in the corner. I've been meaning to get back around to it. So hopefully I get that done on the weekend. We'll see. Tomorrow is Learning the Art of Electronics Day, so I've got to get on with making the video for that. I'll be doing that this afternoon. But this mail call will go out today, Monday. Tomorrow, Learning the Art of Electronics Day. I haven't made that video yet. I'm going to be making it right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. And please remember to hit like and subscribe.